Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Urban Redneck. It's that time of year again where the sun starts coming out, springtime, birds are singing, flowers are blooming, and it's grill time, right? Everybody likes to grill in the springtime. Everybody likes to get out and ride the motorcycles, get outside, enjoy the outdoors. I've been looking for a new barbecuer, a new grill, basically. So I went ahead and I did something a little different, and I went with a pellet grill. Today is going to be basically an unboxing and a review video of the Smoke Pro SE that I got from Walmart. This bad boy right here just got here today in the mail. So this is the Smoke Pro. It says a simply better way for wood-fired flavor. This takes the little wood pellets. A friend of mine at work has the Traeger. He seems to love it, but I couldn't see spending $1,000 on the same thing, just different model. And I did all my research on this one. I seen reviews on the internet and on YouTube and stuff, and it seems to be a really good smoker. So you can grill with it, you can smoke with it, you can bake, roast, bays, and then you can just barbecue also. So I'm gonna give it a try. Let's get this thing unboxed. So this is it here in the box. See, it comes in a pretty nice package. This is from Walmart, but I wasn't able to find. I went and looked all over at the local Walmarts and they didn't have it at the store, so I ordered it at walmart.com and it got here in 2 days, which is not bad. Today's Wednesday, so it'll be ready for me to start using this weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up and start putting this thing together. Okay, here it is. I just opened up the box, so we're gonna start with, you can see it's pretty good size in there. So let me see if I can assemble this thing by myself. Flip her upside down, get the legs on it. Probably easier if we had two people, but sometimes you just gotta do shit by yourself. Legs. Yeah, wrapping on everything. Okay. So I'm thinking that the wheels go that way. This one goes here, and that one goes there. Now we need to find our hardware. Should be here in this box. Oh boy. Trying to figure out which goes where. These are obviously for the tires. Just dump these out. There's 1, 2. I'll be using my impact driver. Started by hand first. All three of them started. Move over here to the other side. I don't really like these legs. I think they're a little flimsy for my liking, so I'll probably do another project and make this thing a wooden rolling cart or something. Make it a little more sturdy and a little more user friendly, because this is kind of, I don't really like this. I mean, it's fine if you're gonna use it just in your backyard, but you guys know me, I like working on wood and stuff anyway, so I'll build a cart for it. Alright, so now we got the legs on. What does the instructions say? Do the wheels. Where are you, wire shelf? You're probably still inside, aren't you? Take note, you guys need to take all this stuff out first. Well, that's a lot. So I got a lot of stuff planned for this summer. A lot of places to go, a lot of barbecues, a lot of fishing, a lot of motorcycle riding. Take you all along for all of it. Hope you guys are liking the channel so far. Trying to do a little more fun stuff instead of more all this technical how-to stuff. We'll do a little more comical stuff, as you can say. I'm able to just hold that with my fingers. You might have to get a wrench for this. I use my finger wrench. Alright, that's that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these wheels on here. Sure, we'll go with the white walls out. Oh, they don't have white walls. Good solid rubber. There's not those plastic ones. They usually break. These are actual rubber on the plastic. So, good quality. Good job, Camp Chef. Good job, Camp Chef. No, this is not a paid video for Camp Chef. Let's see. Just get a Chris in. Got a lot of projects going. Got the kayak over there. Got the KTM. Got the other chopper motorcycle build that we built. Need to do a little more on that. I also have a nice an F-150 outside that I bought for my son. So we're going to be doing some fixing up on that. Should be a fun project. Alright, the wheels are on. Wheels are on. Now we have to just turn her over without smashing a finger or something. It's small enough, it'll be good. It'll be portable enough. Might be able to take it camping. It should have a big enough grill area in it to work out just fine. Very cool. Alright, let's put this handle on. So for the most part, this thing comes pretty assembled. You just got to put the legs on so far. Make sure you guys read all the instructions and stuff before you get too ahead of yourself. Let's put this handle on. Nice and solid. I like that. Really good entry level smoker, barbecuer, pellet cooker. Well, if I had a little helper, going a lot smoother. But I don't have one. I could grab a socket and do this, but for the sake of the video, it's easier just to do it with the crescent wrench. There's that. Pretty good, man. I like it. I like it. This is where the pellets go in, right here. Okay. This is going to be the grill. It's a nice grill. Let's see here. Give you guys an idea what it measures. 22 inches by 19.5. So that'll hold a couple briskets, or oh, I can't put that in here. A couple briskets, some ribs. It'll hold quite a bit of stuff.